I'm here at Cooper's Old Time Pit Barbecue, and Aaron has been making me some delicious Bird Dog whiskey cocktails. And I'm very excited because you're making me one of my favorite, which is you're making an espresso martini, but with a little bit of a twist. So tell me what you're making today.
Yeah, so the twist is going to be, I'm going to be using the chocolate Bird Dog flavored whiskey, and I'm going to use the cream liqueur and give you a generous Texas-sized helping of it.
I love it. I mean, chocolate and whiskey seems to me the perfect combination. Give me a little caffeine and I'm all in.
Got enough caffeine for you in it.
All right, so we got some Bird Dog whiskey, we got some cream liqueur, a little bit of...
Simple syrup here.
All right, so a little sweetener to it.
And then our house-made espresso.
Fantastic. I can never have enough espresso in my life. I really do. I drink about 6 cups a day, so this is everything I love in one place.
Absolutely.
All right, so just a little bit of a shake. Straight into martini glass. I love the texture, beautiful color. Now, I know when I generally have an espresso martini, I also have a little dessert. So is there any desserts here at Cooper's that I should be having?
Well, you're happy to be in luck. I got a pecan cobbler for you.
That's fantastic. So is this something you guys are known for? Do you have like a cobbler menu?
So we have 4 types of cobbler here: pecan, apple, peach, and blackberry.
Those all sound fantastic. And the espresso martini and pecan makes, I think, the perfect match. But let's find out. So I'm gonna have a little taste. And we have some vanilla ice cream on your cobbler. That is so delicious. A little bit of espresso martini. Oh yeah. So you have like the chocolate, the espresso, the pecan. This is like a dessert like heaven right here. I am a very happy woman.